Hi and welcome to this basic mat class. Let's sit in the center of the mat. Bend your knees, put your hands under the thighs. We're going to lift up off the hips, pull the stomach in and up, lengthen the spine up, shoulders down your back, squeeze your inner thighs together, and we're going to chin to the chest, roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Lengthen your arms, pull the stomach in, and we're going to pull one leg towards the seat. From your powerhouse, pull the other one. Now I'd like you to put the hands, one on the ribs, one on your navel. Breathe in through your nose. And as you breathe out, feel how the ribs go down. Breathe in. Ribs want to open. Breathe out. Ribs fall down. Breathe in again. And exhale. Try to keep the ribs down without pushing them too much. Just let them be down. Breathe into the side of the ribs. And as you exhale, press your navel into the spine and up. We call this a scoop. Inhale again, ribs are relaxed. Keep your navel in and up. And exhale. It's as if you have a corset on and you want to close this corset and lift it up. Breathe in again. And breathe out. It closes and lifts. Lengthen your arms. Now I'd like you to lift your tailbone gently, like only a few centimeters off the floor. Pull the navel in and up and lengthen the tailbone away from your navel, like you want to stick your booty out. And again, tuck the tailbone, we call this in Pilates, and stick your booty out. And tuck and stick it out. Find the middle. And find the middle down. Because this is a common mistake in Pilates, to tuck the tailbone under. And that compresses the lower back, which is really not what Pilates is about. So really press down your tailbone and lengthen it towards your heels and pull the heels towards your tailbone. And that already helps you to work the back of the thighs. And that helps you to be stable on the pelvis, which is so important in Pilates. So we have a long tailbone, we're pulling the navel away from the tailbone, we have ribs relaxed, arms are long, your neck is lengthening to the opposite direction of the tailbone. And the first exercise, it's called the 100. We're going to pump with the arms about 20 centimeters off the ground. We're going to breathe in through the nose in 5 counts and breathe out in 5 counts. If your neck gets tired, you can always relax your head down. Any moment, it's not a problem. If you feel like it, you bring it up again. If not, you just leave it down. It's not a problem. Inhale through your nose. And exhale, lengthen your arms, bring your head up. Keep your tailbone heavy. Bring your knees to the chest. Extend your legs out and pump. Inhale. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. And scoop the stomach in and up and in. Vigorous pump. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze your legs together. Lengthen your neck. Open your chest. Each exhale, pull the navel in and up deeper. Reach your arms to the end of the mat. One more. Exhale all the air. Lengthen your arms. Bring your knees to the chest. Give them a hug. Stomach in. Lower your head down. Press your arms down. Let's put one foot down. Keep your powerhouse engaged. Other foot down. And walk your feet a little bit away from you, but keep them bent. We're going to hug the arms into the thighs, pull the stomach in, bring your head up, roll yourself up. Round like you have a big beach round ball in front of the stomach. You want to round over the ball, but pull the navel away from the thighs. Keep your legs hugged in, shoulders down, roll down. Pull the pelvis away from the thighs. Pull the waist away from the pelvis. And lie down. And again, exhale. So we find the powerhouse easier when we exhale. There we come, bring the head up, scoop to come up. Round, but pull the stomach into the spine, lengthen the spine, roll back down. And rest. Squeeze the legs, heavy tailbone, head comes up, come up. And exhale, pull the stomach in, lift the waist, and roll back down vertebrae by vertebrae. Beautiful massage for your back with your own weight. Open your chest, last one, and up. And exhale, lift the waist, shoulders down, roll down, and stretch down. Reach your arms long, pull your navel in and up, and drag one foot closer to the seat, pull the other one. Stay heavy on a tailbone, lift your tummy in and up, bend the right knee to the chest and give it a hug. Align your knee between the shoulder and the ear, extend the leg up, and stretch, but press the right sit bone to the floor. Stretch the leg, 1, keep your chest open, 2, and last one, 3. Press the arms down to work on the stability of your trunk. Keep the right sit bone anchored like there is a root of a tree under the sit bone. They're going down to the center of Mother Earth. Lengthen the leg away from the hip. Pull the stomach in and up. Lengthen your neck. Cross to the left shoulder. Lower knee and knee together. Open to the right shoulder. Pull the opposite waist into the floor and lift up. Cross, down, open, and up. Cross, keep them roots rooted. Down, scoop the stomach, open and up. You can inhale first part of the circle, exhale the second one. Keep your arms long and up, reverse. Open, watch the opposite hip and opposite waist. Down, squeeze the inner thighs. Cross by anchoring the hip and up. Open, down, cross, reach the heel away and up. Open, this is 5 each way and up. Cross and up, last one, and up. I think there was 5. Bend the knee to the chest, stomach in, lower the foot down, pull the navel in and up, bring the left knee to the chest, give it a hug, open your chest, open your collarbones, stretch the leg up, root the left hip already into the floor, it's sacrum heavy, stretch 1 and 2. Remember, we want to lengthen the back, we don't want to compress. So lengthen the left sit bone towards your right heel, press the arms down, bring the leg a little bit higher, stay anchored with the left hip, cross to the right shoulder, knee and knee together, a little squeeze of the inner thighs, open and up, heavy tailbone, cross, down, open and up. Lengthen the leg, down, open, soft neck, soft chest. Press your arms down to work on the stability of your trunk. Try not to move the right knee from side to side. Stay steady. And up, I think there was 5. Reverse, open. Down, cross as you anchor the hip and up. Open, down, cross and up. And cross and up. Lengthen the neck. Scoop the stomach as the leg comes up. And up. Bend the knee to the chest. Leg down. Walk your feet a little bit more away, pull the navel in and up, hug your legs, bring your head up, roll yourself up. Next exercise, it's rolling like a ball, so we're going to bring the hips towards the heels. Hold your ankles, pull the heels to your seat, pull the stomach away from the thighs, open your collarbones, open your elbows, lengthen the neck up, and roll up and exhale to come up. So as you roll back, you think about going up, stay small, Up is the most challenging part, to stay small. Keep your knees close to the chest, chest close to the knees. Up. One more. Up. Stay there. Pull the stomach more away from the thighs. Feet down. Whew. Fist back. And move your hips back. Let's keep the knees bent. Lift up again from the seat. Pull the stomach away from the thighs. Roll down. Chin to the chest. Press your arms. Pull the one leg. Pull the other one. Stay heavy on the tailbone. Lift right leg up. Breathe left leg up. Stay heavy on your pelvis. Right hand on your right ankle. Left hand on the right knee. Hug the knee to the chest. Again, between the shoulder and the ear. The heel to the hip. Extend the left leg up. The left heel is in the center line. Scoop the stomach in and up. Open your collarbones. And by pulling your navel in and up, bring your head up. If your neck gets tired, you can always bring your head down. Scoop the stomach, change. And give it a hug, extend the other leg and change. And make the change happen from your tummy. Aim for the same spot. Align your legs correctly, because this is exercise that works the powerhouse. Alignment and coordination. Lengthen your neck. Rest your head if you need to. Open your collarbones. Open your elbows. I know it's a lot to think about. Heavy tailbone. Keep your tummy engaged. And bend your knees to the chest. Relax your head down. Hug the knees to the chest. Press your tailbone down. The next exercise, it's called double leg stretch. You're gonna stretch your arms in line with the shoulders, heels together in the center line. You're gonna open with the arms and hug the knees to the chest. So inhale, stretch. Open, exhale, hug. Now, bring your head up as you pull the stomach in. If you need to rest your head any moment, you can. Up. Scoop the stomach, circle and exhale. And stretch as your stomach goes in. Heavy tailbone and exhale. Shoulders down your back and exhale. Keep lengthening your feet as you bring your knees to the chest, so you really stay connected to the powerhouse. And exhale. Let's do one more. Wrap your seat around and exhale. Stomach in, head comes down, arms down. Keep your tummy working. Lower one foot, lower the other one. We're gonna walk your feet a little away from the seat. Hug your legs together, chin to the chest, roll yourself up. Spine stretch forward. Come forward in the center of the mat. The heels in the corners. If this is difficult for you to sit up with the straight legs, you can bend the knees a little bit. That will help you to lift yourself up off your hips. If this is still not possible, you can put something under your sit bones, like a folded towels, or you can go with your back a little bit backwards. But you really want to lift first. With time, you will come to this. So let's leave the hands on top of the legs. Lift up from the powerhouse. Inhale as you come up. And exhale, round. Exhale all the air out of your lungs. Scoop the stomach deeper into the spine and up. Shoulders down your back. Keep flexing your feet. And lift your stomach as you roll up. Inhale up. And exhale. Create a space in your waist. Find the opposition. Spine stretches forward, but your stomach pulls back in opposition. That's going to open your lower back. Keep that lift of your powerhouse as you roll yourself up and over. Exhale. Reach your arms, shoulders easy. Neck is long. Roll up again. And exhale all the air, all the dead air out of your lungs. Exhale, 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 exhale. Reach your arms. Flex your ankles. Push the heels away as you scoop your tummy to roll back up and relax. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it.